off those pearly whites. Big smile, big wave, say hello to everybody. Very nice. How about those lips? Orangutans have huge lips. Love them. Look at them. Show them over there. Back over here. Give everybody out their big wet one. Juicy. He does a couple First Nations, takes a little setup. My grandma. He has another one, to pull flip. Angelina Jolie. Let's see that again. They want to take a picture of it. Hold on. Let me see those lips again. Stick them way out there. Good. Stay. I told you not to be embarrassed. Hey, did you get to watch Dave's show? You did? Tell everyone all about it. Give me that. You're making fun of me. Knock it off. Stop that. Hey, don't hit me. Ha! Oh. Apologize. How about a hand for Archie?
Ladies and gentlemen, girls have an announcement from Wallace Strong, Madam Stars, Trophy Your host, Mr. Dave Wagner.
Universal Studios and American Humane would like to remind you that if you're looking for a new pet, please go to your local rescue shelter. We'd be glad to give. Have a great day at the bar. Thanks for coming out. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dave, and thank you, everyone, for joining us here at Universal's Animal Actors. As you make your way toward the exits, please remember, use the stairs and the aisleways. Don't climb over the benches for your own safety, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Universal Studios in Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have a front-of-line pass, VIP pass, or the two-part flex ticket, please remain in your seats.